guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into today's video. So today we are trying a Saviland Polygel Kit. I have not done a Saviland video in so long, but I have definitely missed their Polygel kits. So let's just open up this kit. This is everything that you first see. You get the instructions, some nail forms, dual forms, some slip solution, base coat and top coat, a polygel brush, and a 100 and 180 grit hand file. So here are all the polygels you get. You get 7 different polygels. The first color is called magenta. Next is clear, rose red, royal gold, cinnamon pink, wedding ring, and lastly is night black. So here are all the colors. I was actually kind of surprised that they added a black into this polygel kit, but I really like that because you don't really see too many black polygels, honestly. But I really like these colors. They're very neutral yet sparkly with the glitter. So let's just get right into this nail set. Here are my nails. They're looking, you know, a little bit crusty, so don't look too close. We're just gonna fix that by pushing back the cuticles. Now I did already do like a nail set on this hand, like literally 2 days before I'm doing this nail set. So my nail prep isn't like that much work because I literally just did a nail set on this nail. I already prepped the nails before. After we push back the cuticles, I'm just going to take this circular cuticle drill bit and just work that around the cuticle area. And this is going to remove any of that dead skin, any of that leftover residue from my last nail set. And it's just going to further push back the cuticles as well. Next, I'm going in with my fine grit sanding band and I'm just going to remove the shine from all the nails. I'm being very gentle here, like my nail drill is on the lowest speed it can be. And yeah, I'm just being very light and gentle. And next I'm going to smooth out the free edge of these nails using my hand file. And now I'm going to be sizing out these nail tips. I'm using these long stiletto nail tips. I can't remember the brand of these nail tips, but the link for them will be in the description. I got them on Amazon. So now I did add a protective layer on my nails because I'm trying to film these videos for you guys. So I'm having to take off my nail sets like, you know, kind of right after I do them. Just added some cuticle oil and then I put some top coat on my nails. And this is kind of like a DIY peel off base coat kind of, because it makes the nails come off really easily, but also it's strong. So like the nails aren't just gonna pop off randomly, which I don't want. So after I glued on all the nail tips, I'm just going to be cutting down the thumbnail because the thumbnails on these nail tips are always so long and the pinky nails are always so short. So I don't know why they do that. I'm just going to be shortening the thumbnail and then I'm going to be reshaping all these stiletto nails with my hand file. And now I'm just going to be using my sanding band once again and removing the shine from all the nail tips. And now I'm going to be using my base coat and adding a layer of base coat on all the nails. Then I'm going to be curing that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. So after all the base coat is applied, we're going to be going into the polygel now. I'm going to be using the cinnamon pink color on my pointer finger. I'm just going to be adding one big bead of this color on my nail. We're just doing a full nail of this color. And then I'm just going to be smoothing that out on my nail. I usually start working at the cuticle area first, like making sure the cuticle area is all situated. I'm trying to get as close like to my skin as possible, but not touching my skin. And then I smooth out the rest of the nail and just making sure like the polygels kind of fit to the nail tip. I don't know if it's just this kit, but they kind of like changed like their polygel formula. Like before it used to be like a little bit thin, but it was a little bit on the liquidier side of polygel. Now their polygel is on the much more thicker side. So I don't know if they changed their formula or it's just this nail kit or my polygels are cold. I don't know what it is, but these polygels were not like how they used to be, like how I remember, which is definitely fine. I have been starting to like thicker polygels, so this was really nice to work with. Like it didn't run anywhere. It really worked really good, this polygel. So onto the middle finger, we are doing an ombre. I'm just going to be adding a thin layer of that gold polygel. going to be adding some nail decorations. We are doing a nice fall set. Fall is literally around the corner. Like, I have already started decorating my room and everything. I have little pumpkins that I got from Target, like, to decorate my room, and I got like this dark orangey color blanket. I've never decorated for the fall before, but definitely this year, like, I definitely want to do that. One thing I'm very excited for, like, I cannot wait, is Halloween. I don't know what it is about Halloween this year, but I'm so excited to do some Halloween nail sets. I know it's literally not even October yet, but I'm just very excited for Halloween. Okay, so anyway, I did the same thing on the ring finger. I just added that gold layer of polygel and the nail decorations. And onto the pinky nail, I'm just adding a big bead of this gold polygel. I really love this gold polygel. I think it's because like how fine the glitters are. I'm not a fan of like the chunky glitter polygels, but this glitter polygel right here is so beautiful. I love like the fine glitter. This one is so pretty. Those are how the nails are looking so far. We're just going to move on to the thumbnail. I'm going to be doing an ombre nail once again, just adding that really thin layer of that gold. Like, I'm talking really thin because I need to encapsulate these nails. I don't want these nails to be too thick. Thin layer of that gold polygel, and then I'm going to be adding the nail decorations. I'm using these orangey leaves, and I'm using some copper foil. And now I'm going to be finishing off the ombre nails by adding the nude part of the nails. I'm using the cinnamon pink color and just, yeah, adding a bead near my cuticle area, ombreing that up into the rest of the nail. I'm definitely going to be doing some more fall nail sets. I think last year I only did one fall nail set, which is like, what the heck? Yeah, this year I'm definitely doing as many fall nail sets as I can. So now we are going to be moving on to the thumbnail. Once again, just adding that bead of polygel near my cuticle area and then smoothing that out and ombreing it up into the rest of the nail. Alright, and now that all the ombre nails are done, we're going to have to encapsulate because we don't want to ruin our ombre. The structure of the nails are just completely off, so we need to fix that. We're going to take the clear polygel that comes with the kit, and this clear polygel is a really liquidy consistency, but you know, that's how they make it so clear. It wasn't hard to work with, you just got to know how to work with it. I basically use like a lot of slip solution, and I make sure to not to dig my brush into the polygel. Like, you want to lightly like spread the polygel around. You really want to be gentle with this polygel because if you put too much pressure, you're just going to drag all the polygel off, and then that's just going to be a big mess. And sometimes I would like flip the nail upside down so that all the polygel would like run to the middle of the nail, which is where you want it. Alright, and now that all the polygel is applied, we're just going to go ahead and reshape all these nails. I feel like these nails honestly didn't take me that long to do, which like I take a long time to do nails, but these nails didn't really take me that long. So if you guys are interested in this Saviland Polygel Kit, I definitely recommend it, especially for the fall time. Like, these colors are perfect for the fall. All the information for this kit will be in the description. I really love this kit. I think it is so good. I gotta say, I think my favorite polygel from this kit is definitely that gold glitter. So once the nails are shaped, I'm just going to wipe off all that excess dust from the nails, and here are how they are looking. So now we're just going to add some nail gems. I'm going to be taking some top coat and just adding a layer of top coat to my pointer fingernail, and I'm using these gold gems. And then I'm just going to apply all those gold gems to the nails. So now that all the nail gems are on, we're just going to be finishing off this look with some top coat. And I'm also going to be adding top coat to the underside of these nails. And now we're going in with some cuticle oil, and I'm just going to be adding that to each of the nails. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I love this nail set, especially for the fall season. These are so cute. I'm really loving that gold glitter, and those nail decorations in the nails are so cute, like the leaves and the copper foil. Once again, if you guys are interested in this Saviland Polygel Kit, all the information for it will be in the description. And also let me know if you guys are ready for the fall season, because I know I am. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!